Profits are up. Really good. Earnings season just continues to amaze. Coming up here in the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:49 here in the middle part of the country on Tuesday. It is November 1st, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. And as we went with foreign news yesterday, just want to talk about earnings today because they are so good. So good, folks. BP, $8.2 billion in profit. That is very good. Of course, they made about $3 billion of that in energy trading, right? Just in natural gas arbitrage. We've been talking about that for months. All of these LNG ships now renting out $400,000, $500,000 a day. Guess who is renting them out? Guys like BP, who are making $127 million or more on a single cargo of gas going from the US to Europe. It is that constrained, folks. On a go-forward basis, energy continues to lead the way. But quite frankly, it doesn't mean that the stocks are going to go that much higher. They're just that small of a piece of the indexes now. They need to re-rate higher if they're going to make meaningful moves higher just by folks picking them up for dividend and cash flow yields, just making money hand over fist. Speaking of making money hand over fist, Pfizer as well. So their earning guidance says they're going to make $2 billion additional dollars off of COVID vaccines. So we've got energy, we've got healthcare. Now, tech's got to be down, right? Everything in tech's down. Oh, wait, no, Uber's up. Pretty big. Why? Because they're not losing as much. They're continuing to write down those terrible investments they made. But guess what? They're actually driving more folks around. Revenue up more than $200 million above estimates, like $8.4 billion in the quarter. Uber continues to do well as folks travel coming out of the pandemic. And suddenly we're returning to somewhat of a normalcy in the economy. Especially here in the US, folks, it's just not that bad. We have tight labor. We have lots of issues with energy. Most of that's overseas. Most of that's goods that are not going to get produced this winter in Europe. But here in the US, with all the recapitalization that's going, all of the nearshoring, all of the onshoring, it's just not going to be as bad as the folks on major networks say, as doomsayers say. That's what the evidence points to. Earnings continue to be really good. The economy continues to be fairly strong. Sorry to be the bearer of good news. All right, not that sorry. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Till then, you, your family, hope you have a really good rest of your Tuesday. I'm out.